Discover Kusadasi. Beaches, history, and gateway to ancient wonders. Introduction. Nestled on Turkey's dazzling Aegean coast, Kusadasi, Bird Island, blends sun-soaked beaches with rich history and vibrant nightlife. A favorite for cruise ships and travelers, it offers turquoise waters, ancient ruins, and a lively atmosphere. From iconic beaches like Ladies Beach to the fortress-crowned Pigeon Island, and as a launchpad to UNESCO gems Ephesus and Pamukkale, Kusadasi promises an unforgettable Turkish escape. Ladies Beach, Kadınlar Denizi. The vibe. Just 3 kilometers from downtown, Ladies Beach is Kusadasi's social heart. Legend says it was once a women-only bathing spot. Today, it's a bustling stretch of golden sand with shallow, calm waters, perfect for families. By day, it's a sunbather's paradise. By night, it transforms into a buzzing hub of bars and music. Feel the warm Aegean sand between your toes as golden sunsets paint the sky. Taste salt on your lips, laughter in the air. This isn't just a beach, it's where memories are made. Subscribe to relive the magic whenever your soul needs summer. Hotspots. Beach clubs and water sports. Oktay Beach Club. Rent loungers, sip cocktails, or try jet skiing, parasailing. Bamboo Beach Bar. Chill by day, dance to DJs at sunset. Dining. Sofra Restaurant. Fresh seafood and mazes with sea views. Ladies Beach Promenade. Lined with cafes serving Turkish ice cream, dondurma, and gözleme, savory pancakes. Nightlife. Club Caravanserai. Ottoman-themed club with live music near the beach. Orient Bar. Cocktails and shisha under fairy lights. Pigeon Island, Governata. The vibe. A tiny island tethered to the mainland by a causeway, Pigeon Island is Kusadasi's symbol. Its 14th-century Byzantine Ottoman fortress once repelled pirates. Today, it's a scenic park with panoramic views, sunset spots, and a romantic lighthouse. Stand where pirates once stood. Touch ancient stones that echo with centuries of courage. Watch the lighthouse carve hope into the twilight. Subscribe to journey back to this fortress of dreams with every video. Hotspots. The fortress. Climb the walls for 360 degrees views of Kusadasi Bay. Waterfront promenade. Governata cafes. Sip Turkish tea, with baklava while watching yachts. Marina district. Upscale dining and boutique shopping. Events. Kusadasi Festival, July, concerts and fireworks illuminate the island. Diving. Local dive centers. Explore underwater ruins and vibrant marine life. Gateway to Ephesus and Pamukkale. Walk marble streets where philosophers whispered. Dip your feet in terraces forged by gods. This isn't travel, it's time travel. Subscribe to unlock doorways to worlds you thought were lost forever. Kusadasi is the perfect base for epic day trips to 2 UNESCO wonders. 1. Ephesus, 1-hour drive. The vibe. Walk through one of antiquity's best preserved cities, where St. Paul preached and Cleopatra once strolled. Hotspots. Library of Celsus, iconic marble facade. Grand Theatre. Hosted 25,000 spectators for gladiator battles. Terrace houses. Lavish Roman villas with intricate mosaics, extra ticket. Temple of Artemis. One of the 7 wonders, now a single column. Nearby gems. Surance Village. Sip fruit wines in a hillside Ottoman hamlet. House of Virgin Mary. A pilgrimage site believed to be her final home. 2. Pamukkale. 3-hour drive. The vibe. A surreal landscape of snow-white travertine terraces filled with thermal waters, paired with the ancient spa city of Hierapolis. Hotspots. Travertine pools. Wade in mineral-rich, turquoise thermal waters, barefoot only. Hierapolis ruins. Antique pool. Swim among submerged Roman columns. Necropolis. A vast ancient cemetery with 1,200 tombs. Roman theater. Seats 15,000, with mountain vistas. Cleopatra's Pool. Legend says the Queen swam here, entry fee applies. Pamukkale Town. Enjoy local kofte, meatballs, and cotton souvenir shops. Outro. Kusadasi is more than a beach town. It's a vibrant tapestry of sun, sea, and stories. Lounge on Ladies Beach, conquer Pigeon Island's fortress, then journey through time at Ephesus and Pamukkale. By night, savor Aegean cuisine under the stars. By day, dive into history. Whether you're a history buff, sun seeker, or adventurer, Kusadasi delivers the essence of Turkey's magic. Hoska Kalan. Goodbye. Travel tips. Best time: April, June or September, October for mild weather. Getting there. Fly into Izmir at Non-Menderes Airport, 1-hour drive. Day trips. Book guided Ephesus, Pamukkale tours via Kusadasi hotels, from €40. Local bite. Try kop sis, lamb skewers, at a meyhane, tavern. Join our family of sunset chasers, history seekers, and beach souls. Hit subscribe, because adventure should never wait for algorithms. Tag someone who needs this escape. Share the video that feels like a postcard from paradise, because wonder is meant to be passed on. If your heart raced watching this, you belong here. Subscribe. Every click is a new horizon.